In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a toolbar on Tradingview. By the end, you'll have the Tradingview toolbar visible again so you can quickly access drawing tools or the top controls without hunting through menus. First, open Tradingview. Launch it in your browser or the desktop app, and make sure you're on a chart so you can see the chart interface. Next, move your mouse to the chart toolbar area and click the three dots. This three-dot menu is the More menu for that toolbar. If you're trying to restore the top toolbar, look along the top edge of the chart for a small three-dot icon. If you're trying to restore the drawing toolbar, hover over the left side of the chart area where the vertical drawing tools usually live and look for the three dots there. Click the three dots to open the menu. Now, in the menu, select Show Toolbar. You'll see options to show either the top toolbar or the drawing toolbar. Click the one you want to bring back. If you want access to timeframes, layouts, and chart settings, choose the top toolbar. If you want access to trend lines, shapes, and other drawing tools, choose the drawing toolbar. As soon as you click, Tradingview applies the change immediately. The toolbar will appear instantly. Look to the location you just enabled. The top toolbar will line up across the top of the chart, and the drawing toolbar will snap into place along the left side of the chart. You can start using it right away. So try hovering over a few icons to confirm you can access the tools you need. There's no save button required here. Tradingview remembers this preference automatically. If you clicked Show Toolbar for the top toolbar, you should now see buttons for symbols, intervals, chart types, indicators, alerts, and layout options along the top. If you selected the drawing toolbar, you should see the vertical strip with drawing icons such as the trend line, brush, rectangle, and text on the left. This confirms the toolbar is active and ready. At this point, your Tradingview workspace should feel familiar again. You're not changing your data or charts by showing the toolbar. You're only restoring the visible controls. If the toolbar doesn't appear where you expect, double-check that you clicked the three dots on the correct toolbar area and selected the matching Show Toolbar option. The change is immediate, so there's no need to refresh. Once that's done and you see the icons, you can continue working as normal, adding drawings, switching timeframes, or opening indicators directly from the restored toolbar. That's it. You've successfully added a toolbar on Tradingview, and it's now visible and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.